this is Daddy. So we gonna make a drink. First we add some water. Then we put all the stuff in there. So anybody what time I'm making it.
Okay.
So you put the apple juice.
So what is that, apple juice?
And I go to sleep, I drink that kind.
That's right. Is it organic?
Oh yes it is.
Okay.
Or some.
Good job.
Then
Yeah, what are you going to put in next?
but now first I need to put
Strawberries? Okay. So can you use any kind of fruit?
Oh yes you can.
Good.
Yeah, but banana, but we don't have bananas.
We don't have bananas? You like bananas in it?
Yes, I do, but strawberries too.
Mm-hmm.
I guess they're in the
And those strawberries are frozen, right?
Yeah, but they need to warm up in there.
Would you like to have a little bit of strawberry yogurt? Brown cow, no, Stonyfield strawberry pomegranate.
Can I put some of this on?
So you're going to put the green powder?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, that's good. Is that enough or you put more? I don't know. I don't know.
Just as much as you like.
He licks it.
Licking it off is valuable. You get extra along the way.
And that's really good.
Yeah, okay. Well, that's probably a little bit too much. I think that's probably a little bit too much.
There you go.
You don't want to knock yourself
okay.
out. That's all right. We'll just add more.
Okay, that's good. No, oh, honey. Okay, we're going to have to get you a different spoon for the other powder then. Here. Okay. Here's that for the other powder. Okay, now what are you putting in?
That
kind of powder?
Yeah, but
Ultimate Meal? Is that Ultimate Meal?
Ultimate Meal?
Yes.
Okay.
You want to turn around and do it over here so the camera can see you, dear?
There you go.
Yeah.
Smile.
Good job.
Smile for the camera.
She's got green teeth. Okay, do you want to put yogurt in?
Yes, but in a minute.
Okay, that's probably enough Ultimate Meal too. There you go. Good job.
So.
Okay,
More?
I'm the assistant. I'll close
Is that more? Okay.
Oh, there's the
yogurt.
The strawberry.
It's called Stonyfield yogurt.
Stonyfield yogurt. It's an organic yogurt.
Yes, I like, but can I do a little bite of it?
Mm-hmm. Smile at me. Let me see.
There we go.
Can I get one more bite?
Yeah,
yes,
of course.
Yeah, it's your drink. You can do whatever you want.
Yes, cheers.
Okay. You ready to blend it up?
Not right now.
There.
That's all we need.
That's all we need. All right.
Okay, your assistant will remove the yogurt. Hold on tight. Your assistant will hold on tight. You want to push the button?
No, you close my
Okay,
ears.
okay, you close your ears and I'll push the button.
And that looks like a yummy green drink.
Okay, now I'm going.
There's your strawberry shortcake cup over there too, Yaz.
Oh yeah.
Or whatever cup you want.
You want to use this one? And I use our little teacup.
But I want that one.
Do you want a teacup too?
You want this one?
There's 2 teacups.
You can eat here. Put that cup on here.
What's that you're eating, Yaz?
I'm drinking.
That's the powder.
Yes.
It's certainly a testimony to healthiness and the deliciousness of spirulina algae.
She loves it.
And the company who produced this, we will be sending it in right to their advertising company. And
okay. We're going to have to turn off the video soon. Are you going to pour some in a cup so we can see it?
You hold the cup.
I just want to lick this off.
Okay, you go ahead and lick it off.
Oh, it is going to spill.
It's all right.
Oh, is it powdery? I thought it was watery.
No, it's just straight powder.
Oh. Yessie, give me a smile. You got green teeth.
Here.
Is that spirulina? Here, get some water. Drink some water. I think that's a little too powdery.
There you go. There you go, my love.
There's some green drink.
Here,
go ahead and drink a little.
Two
green.
hands. Okay, Grandma's gonna get under the
And
camera.
you like that?
Under the camera.
You like it? Yes, yum.
Did it turn out good? Let me taste it. Okay, we'll say cheers. Cheers.
Here's the healthy drinks.
For the assistant and for the cook.
Yay.
Oh, it really is good. Oh, it's cool and refreshing.
Okay, say goodbye, everybody. Thanks for watching my video.
What? Bye, everybody. Thanks for watching my video.
Look at the camera. Look at the people watching. Yeah.
And tomorrow we'll have a leaf.
Why don't you give your sister Christy a big kiss on camera with big green powdery lips? Mwah.
What will we have tomorrow? What will we have tomorrow?
Oh, sorry. What are we going to have tomorrow?
A leaf party.
A leaf party. Okay.
Party. All right.
Bye.